Over $80,000 in scholarships are up for grabs, and all you have to do is be creative.
Everybody can do art, you know. It's not how much skill you have, it's how much imagination you have.
Louisiana native George Rodriguez was on hand today to announce a statewide art competition. He's partnering with the Lieutenant Governor's office to take part in the bicentennial celebration. Jay Darden telling NBC 33 News joining up with the Rodriguez Foundation is one of the perfect ways to celebrate Louisiana's 200th birthday.
Louisiana has so much to celebrate with its artistic background and so many creative people who have been born in Louisiana and nurtured their talents in Louisiana. The arts component is very important to our historic remembrance next year.
Now, the statewide competition is open to juniors and seniors. All the details on how to enter and what the prizes are, it's all on our website, NBC33TV.com.
And the Blue Dog artist, George Rodriguez, is teaming with the Louisiana Bicentennial Celebration. We'll tell you what's up.
George Rodriguez Blue Dog is now helping Louisiana celebrate its bicentennial next year.
Rodriguez was with Lieutenant Governor Jay Darden today. They were at the EBR Lab School on Winborn to announce a poster contest next year for all high school juniors and seniors. The winning poster will be Louisiana's bicentennial poster, and the high school artist will win a scholarship.
This is a great combination of the talent of young people in Louisiana reflecting on the 200 years of Louisiana history. So it's so appropriate that the young people are remembering our past and looking forward to our future.
George Rodriguez Foundation of the Arts is a co-sponsor of this art contest. The foundation raises money to provide art supplies in schools that don't have arts programs of their own.